This wraps up our program. We hope you found this informational and insightful by hearing from such a diverse set of companies from all around the world. It is exciting to hear all the inspirational stories as we face the demands and challenges in the fast changing supply chain and manufacturing industry. So, what's next? I hope we sparked some ideas. Have you been thinking about your next steps? Or maybe you're inspired to learn more? We've just the thing for you. Our Insight and Collaboration campaign website is now live with hundreds of useful resources ranging from top-tier overviews and thought leadership to compelling videos and demonstrations, or even more technical and detailed demos and solution briefs. Wherever you are in the process, we're here to inform, facilitate, and connect you with the right resources. Anything you want to add, Glenn?
Thanks, Marcel. And of course, thank you, Michael, for your comments. And a big thanks to our guest speakers from Deloitte, Oracle, Bissell, Alcar, MTM, and of course, Transworld. It's been a real pleasure to host this virtual program with you. And though we miss meeting with our customers and partners in a face-to-face format, I think these virtual summits are a great way for us to have you hear firsthand stories from passionate supply chain leaders from across the globe. So hopefully this program can serve as your starting point as you learn to explore and move on your journey to supply chain. So again, thanks everyone for attending the virtual Oracle Supply Chain Summit. And again, don't forget to check out all the valuable information on our collaboration campaign website. Thanks for joining.